In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pro tips for Facebook Marketplace sellers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create listings that get found, earn trust, and sell faster without wasting time. Start with your photos because your cover image is what stops the scroll. Use natural light near a window, clear away clutter, and photograph the actual item from multiple angles. Avoid screenshots or blurry shots. If there are minor flaws, take a clear close-up. Great photos do the heavy lifting and make buyers feel confident. Next, write titles people actually search. Skip vague lines like rush sale. Instead, include brand, model, size, or specs, condition, and color. For example, iPhone 13 128GB, unlocked blue. Keywords like these help Facebook search and filters show your listing to the right buyers. Price strategically. Research similar listings first, then decide whether you want speed or maximum profit. If you need a quick sale, undercut the average slightly. Always leave a little room for negotiation. For example, if you want 5,000, consider listing at 5,500, so you can accept reasonable offers without dipping below your target. Respond fast. Facebook favors responsive sellers, and buyers do too. Turn on notifications, prepare a few saved replies for common questions like availability, condition, and meetup options, and avoid leaving people on scene. Quick, polite replies build your reputation and keep your listing higher in search. Keep descriptions short and honest. Lead with the condition, clearly note any scratch or issue, list what's included, and state your meetup or delivery options. For instance, used for 6 months, no known issues, comes with charger, meetup in the city center, or courier delivery available. Transparency prevents disputes and returns. Expand your reach by sharing your marketplace listing to local buy and sell groups. Neighborhood and city-specific groups can put your item in front of people ready to pick up today. Be sure to follow each group's posting rules to avoid removals. Protect yourself from scammers. Watch for offers to send a driver, fake payment screenshots, requests for one-time passcodes, or overpayment schemes. Never release the item until payment is confirmed in your account. Renew listings regularly. Older posts sink in visibility, so refresh them, update photos, and lightly tweak the title. If an item goes stale, consider reposting. Build seller ratings after each successful sale. A simple note like, "Thanks so much. If you have a moment, I'd appreciate a quick marketplace rating," goes a long way. Finally, know what sells fast. Phones, furniture, appliances, baby items, branded clothing, gaming gear, and motor parts. Clean, test, and photograph well to stand out. Happy selling!